Well, hello all my friends and welcome back again. Right now we're testing the Crane V2 and my Sony a6300. We're gonna see how smooth the shots are, and as you can see right now, I'm walking on some rough terrain and it is super smooth as I'm walking. It's insane. But we're gonna get some footage for you and test it out, and then I'll be back to talk about it. So let's get right to it.
But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Well, so far I am just amazed by the performance of this Crane V2. It has a super stabilizing effect to the camera. Like right now I'm using it and it is just insane. We're getting close to a lock right now, so you're gonna hear the rushing sounds of water. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm gonna show you a couple other simple clips that I shot with just the camera going up and down and different effects. And so far I'm super excited about this, and if you ever want some like really smooth cinematic footage, I would recommend any of the Crane products. Crane V2 is what I'm using now, but here's a couple more clips for you.
Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the clips that I displayed for you just a minute ago. And I just wanted to say I'm really sorry to all my vape fam out there. This is not a vaping video. I do vape in it lightly, but it's not like a review of anything. This is just me doing me. I'm gonna keep showing different bits of information on my channel about my camera stuff, because I really do have a passion for photography and video, and I'm an aspiring videographer, so I'm just gonna do me. And if you guys want to stick beside me, I'd really appreciate that. Hopefully we see Bigfoot out here, ain't it, Justin? And this is like 2 miles away from where we came, and we'll just keep going. Nice little hike for the morning. Well, so here's some more B-roll for you guys, and just stick beside me. We're gonna keep rolling through it. Let's get to it.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way
Alright my friends, so I really hope you like this video. I'm going to put out different content all the time because I'm into a lot of different things and different hobbies. But if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you want to see future content, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you can see when future content's pulled onto YouTube. And we're 20 away from the giveaway. So let's just keep growing, my friends. Let's do this. And just remember, ask Lou.